through a combination of the space that we create, the teaching and the ministry that we bring, we want a day where you walk out at the end feeling like your heart has been ministered to in a way that only another kingdom business person can really understand. We want you to feel like your crap doesn't disqualify you. We want you to feel like there is hope, that you can deal with the stuff, that there are ways forward that will leave you in better space than you might be feeling in right now.
That you've had an encounter with the grace of God.
There we go. Yes, absolutely. An encounter with the grace of God and the healing power of God that touches your heart, that touches your mind, that lifts off the burdens, that lifts off the exhaustion, and helps you to get into that creative space again. That space that all of us entrepreneurs and kingdom people love. We love being in that creative space, but it gets crowded out by the crap. We want to get you back into that creative zone so that you can start dreaming and creating all over again.